High five. High five. Good boy. Good boy.
Wait a minute.
lascialo quel bestia.
No, it's not over there. Maybe it's in the ground here. Meow. I can feel.
Love each other. Yeah, babe.
Aries, come on. Hi there. Oh, what a fun they got. Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that. Oh.
All right.
Do it again. Tongue flip. Guys, dude? What the, dude, you're stuck, you're stuck.
No.
Guys, I got this new bracelet. It's really cute. I really like it. It comes with this whole attachment. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but the bracelet's so cute.
It's a Charlie Brown Christmas. Okay.
Are you serious?
Yum 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 yum.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Krieger, why are you so mad?
This sound is supposed to remind cats how they were worshipped in ancient Egypt.
No, you get out.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Tamam bir şey yok. Burnuna bakacağım sadece lütfen. Parçalayacak beni ya. This is Jude being in my puzzle. That's a Merry Christmas to me. Because he doesn't think he got any presents, but he does have a present under the tree.
I think that's a little bit.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. I don't understand. I don't understand.
If I put this tree in this hand, which one would it be in? Good boy. Good boy, Gato. What if I switch it up, Gato, and I put the tree in my left hand? Which one would it be in? Huh?
Just thinking.
Which one would it be in? Good
Oh
boy.
my God.
That's a good boy. Good boy,
Oh
Mr.
my
Gato.
God. Cutie.
I think that just dripped oil right on her face.
Did I embarrass you?
Descobriu o mistério. Tem uma meliante roubandôs, ameixas. Bota que zoa safada.
Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he did.
Go, Dad.